Hi guys, I'm Vinod from VRJ Tech Feeds. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a smart TV as a Bluetooth speaker and I will guide you how to do that. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest videos. And I'm not sure this feature will work very well on all the smart TVs or not, and it's working fine with my Toshiba U5050 4K Ultra HD TV. So let's get started. Here is my Toshiba 4K Ultra HD TV with the model number of U5050. So we have to go through the menu key, then settings, go to system, roll over to Bluetooth. It's already turned on. Here you can see TV Bluetooth speaker and you can read TV output. Mobile devices are connected to TV with Bluetooth. Sound outputs via TV speaker means it works as a Bluetooth speaker. So you need to click on that. Here you can see TV Bluetooth speaker. Play your mobile phone's music via TV. Go to mobile settings, enable Bluetooth, choose Toshiba to connect. So let me connect through Bluetooth. Here you can see I'm turning on the Bluetooth. It's turned on and it's automatically connected. Let me play one of the song. And also you can turn off the screen. The TV has a total sound output of 30 watts with Dolby Digital and Dolby Atmos. So that's all from this video guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to help you out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Your support is highly appreciated. I will see you in the next video and thanks for watching.